Yeah, B Money. Tell them hoes. We on this shit again. Yeah, we on it. Trap shit. B Money Entertainments. Fuck with that shit. You don't know me. Hit your ass with that Glock. Fuck with me, you gon' be deep. Coming through your crib. You ain't gon' see me. Have your bitch suck my dick, then leave her with a team. All these bitches capping. Suck my dick, she slapping on the block, blowing nines and big shit you capping. Making money you lacking. Got your hoe, she snapping, snap back with a polo, bitch. All I know is that shit. Getting stacks on deck, we don't fuck with whole shit. Shoot your ass up with a beam, then get the whole click. Had your bitch on shit, send our bitches to your shit. Had you set up, nigga, then leave you in the ditch. On the fucking block, on that Glock shit. I don't fuck with lame niggas on that STL shit. Everybody knowin' we on that new shit. Tell them hoes goodbye, get some new fucking bitches. On that old shit, get out my face. I'm on that new shit, fuck loud, bitch, I'm 8. On that leaf shit, you already know. Smoking on loud, fuck Reggie, throw it out the door. Niggas on that new shit, hoes on that old shit. Shoot your ass up, have you laying on the floor, bitch. Niggas on that new shit, hoes on that old shit. Shoot your ass up, have you laying on the floor, bitch. B Money Entertainments on that new shit, old shit. Fuck with a nigga, shoot you up, bitch, we own it. Yeah, B Money. I told them hoes I was gonna do it. I'm finna be back on this shit, you know, like, subscribe. I'm on it. New shit.